D, how you doing, brother?
Pretty good. Pretty excited.
Pretty excited? What are you excited for? What are you in this get up for?
Probably go skydiving.
Probably go skydiving. You don't sound very sure about that. That's either something that you're gonna do or you're not gonna do.
We'll see how we feel on the plane ride up.
Okay, all right. We'll make some decisions on the way up to altitude.
Maybe do a flip out of the plane. I don't know.
Maybe if you're feeling excited.
Yeah.
So you're nervous at all?
A little bit. I think the plane ride up is where I'm gonna feel it.
Okay. All right. You got any last words for your friends and family?
Z, hopefully you're seeing this again. Mom, Dad, if this is the last thing you see, I love y'all so much. It's been a good ride.
All right. We'll see you out there.
See ya. Oh my God, best experience of my life. Those first 3 seconds, it's like nothing you've ever felt before.
What was going through your head when you're sitting at that door?
Man, I was pretty surprised I got the edge of the seat and then closed the door. I saw us going up and up, and we got pretty high. I couldn't see anything. And he said, "Oh yeah, we're only at 8,000. We got 6,000 more to go." But man, that was the best experience of my life. It was awesome.
Awesome. You think you'd do it again?
Definitely. When he gave me the straps and we were flying around there, it was just so much fun.
It's great, right?
Yeah, it was awesome.
Awesome. Thanks for coming out to Skydive Tennessee. Give Zach a high five.
Well, thanks so much.
Yeah. We'll see you next time, brother.
All right, appreciate it.